Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So this one's going to be really quick and easy, but it's something I see come up a lot on the Reddit PPC sub, and that is people asking about blocking mobile app categories for display campaigns. And you can do that inside of Google Ads, like any online tool. But it's tedious because you need to go through and select every app category manually. And I think there's several hundred of them. So it takes a bit of time to do. And if you do it manually for each campaign and you have like 20 campaigns, as we have here, it's going to take you a little while. Good news is this tip today I'm going to show you make short work of it, and that is to use Google Ads Editor. So I'm already in Editor in a client account, and I've selected a display campaign. What you're going to do from there is you're going to go down to keywords and targeting, and then you're going to find the and it can be tricky to find. I've got it here. So it's mobile app categories negative. You have to make sure you select the negative and not mobile app categories or mobile apps because we want to remove or block all the categories. So once we've selected that, we go here and we're going to add campaign level. You can do ad group as well if you've selected ad groups, but if you're going to block all of them, you probably don't want them on your campaign. And then you get this view, and you'll notice you can go through and you can like multi-select the various categories. But, I mean, the whole point of this exercise I'm showing is to block all of them at once. So you can go through and multi-select, but you can also select all apps right here just by highlighting that, click OK, and you are done. You obviously have to sync this up, so you're going to post your change. That takes about 30 seconds usually, depending on the size of your account, and you're good to go. And you can actually from here, if you have a bunch of campaigns you've got to do, you can actually copy this, multi-select your campaigns, and apply it to all of them just by pasting. So hopefully, if this is something you've had to do before and you don't want to do again manually, that this tip will actually help you out and make your life a little easier. That's it for today. I will see you next time.